Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So as part of learning JavaScript, today we'll learn about scopes. So in scopes, we have five different types of scopes. Global, module, block, lexical and functional. So let's learn. Okay, in the previous video we have discussed about var, constant and let variables, right? So what is mean by variable and how to declare, how to use the variables, all those things we have discussed earlier. So, but one question is there. So if we declare any variable, how much long it will available, or up to which line it will available, or up to which file it will available. These kind of questions we didn't discuss it, right? So today we'll discuss that. That is the answer of, this question has the answer like a scope. Okay. See, in this you are seeing line number 75, right? This is a if block. In previous video we have wrote this. Okay. In this we have created let variable function data 2. Okay. If if block closes, then that function data 2 won't be available, right? After this if block, if we try to print that function data 2, it won't come. It will throw error, reference error. See, it is throwing reference error. So this is already we have discussed it earlier video, but now what I'm telling is this variable availability is up to this block only, this if statement block. Along with that, if you try with the function data 1 up to this function block 3 executes, when inside of this function block 3, this function data 1 variable can be available. After this block 3 function, it won't be available, right? Do you understood the availability of the function data 1 variable? Line number 83 we are printing. See, line number 83 we are getting that is not defined. Okay, because we are trying to access from outside of this function, but this variable not available outside of this function, right? So now what here what I'm trying to tell, whatever the variables we have declared in this if block or in this if block function, um, the availability of the variable is called scope. Okay, this variable is available up to if block only. So this variable scope is this much only. Okay. So the function data 1 variable scope is up to line number 70 through to 82 inside of this block 3 function. Okay. So this is called scope. The availability of the variable is called scope. Okay. So um, we have discussed five types of scopes are there, right? So here in the line number 15, I have created constant variable with the name of scope, and I am giving you one string. Okay, it should be act as a global scope. What is mean by global scope? See, global scope is nothing but when we create any project, if we declare any variable, if that variable is available in entire application, then it will be called as global scope. Okay, global variable, right? So that means that variable has a scope of global. That's why we are calling that as a global scope. I think you understood. So I will show you that also. Here in this app.js file, we have declared this scope variable. So that variable we will try to, we are consoling that variable in the other file, child.js file. Okay. So here I have declared that script child.js file. Okay. So we'll see this line number 1 in child.js will execute or not. See, it is executing child.js line number 1. Data scope is coming. This is the string we have declared in the app.js. Okay. So this is called global scope. I hope you understood about scope and global scope. In the next coming video, I will tell you about remaining scopes. Thank you.